Hello, I'm Austin Vander, Linden, and this is my video submission for the ENME351 Projects Lab. For my submission, I chose to create a catapult, which is controlled by a set of servos. This large one here winds a rubber band to increase the tension in the arm. And when ready to fire, these two smaller servos release the arm and shoot it forward. In addition, I've added an IR distance sensor to the front, which monitors the distance the catapult is from this cup and winds the servo accordingly. So, looking at the processing code, I've utilized the Control P5 library to further automate the process. We can see by clicking manual mode, an LED illuminates to indicate that you are no longer using the IR distance sensor. And then by turning the potentiometer here, you simply wind the servo by hand. When you are ready to try the IR distance sensor, you simply click wind up. And then once you initiate that, you can see that by moving the cup closer, the servo winds down, and by increasing the distance, the servo winds up. And that's just using the map function to convert the distance measured in centimeters to a usable value for the pulse width modulation of the servo. Now when you're ready to fire, you simply click the fire button, which releases those two smaller servos and shoots it forward. And then to reset it, you simply hit retract, which returns the large servo to its neutral position. And then you can hit lock again to lock them back in place. And then you can continue to do that as you'd like. I'd also like to point out that the manual button does not override the rest of the buttons. You can still wind it however much you would like. And then you can still hit fire and retract and lock it. Thank you very much for your time.